welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're gonna open Giftems Series 184 to collect. Giftems.
Yeah, and you got a surprise. This one is from where? One is from France, one is from Canada. The girl from France from Paris, the girl from Canada is from Vancouver. You have been to Paris, right?
Yes.
Well, some of your cousins are living in Vancouver.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's give you guys a close up. Okay, now let's open it. It's so easy! Just tear it. Ow, I just hit my leg. No flyer. Ooh, we have a hat. We have something else here. Oh, it's on my clothes. We got a hat. It's so tiny. Okay, we don't need to panic. We just pick it up later when I tell you to close your eyes. I'm very clumsy, right? You say yes.
Yes. Little clumsy girl.
We got a girl from Paris, and one is from Canada.
This one is from Paris.
This one is from Paris.
From France. You've been to Paris.
The box has flowers. What's her name?
Her name is called Jacqueline L'Amour.
What does that mean?
Jacqueline. English is Jacqueline.
That's what means. That's what.
It's a panda box. I bet the girl is from China, maybe. I don't know.
Too. Is there any box from China?
I guess we got one girl from China before. I don't know. I can't remember.
It's from.
So it's from where?
It's L-R-E-L-A-N-D. India. Is it India?
No, it's Ireland, not L. It's I-R-E-L-A-N-D. Ireland, from Dublin. She's from Dublin. Well, we have a St. Patrick's
I
Day.
thought it was from China.
No, it's from Ireland, from Dublin.
I said I thought.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, her hair's orangey.
Yeah, I thought this green. Irish green.
Why?
Yeah, a lot of things in Ireland is green. But Ireland is good. I've been there before.
Because the trees?
I have been to Dublin once. You want to go there again?
I never went
Yeah,
to Dublin.
You never go there before.
What is Dublin?
The capital city of Ireland is
What does
called...
that mean?
It's not far away from London. Less than 1 hour by airplane.
Last one.
Canada!
This is all white.
You like white or you don't like white?
White is basic. She is from Canada.
Canada, you know?
Ooh.
What is
What's
famous
her
from
name?
Canada?
What's
Her name is what? I cannot
Her
see
name
it.
is T.
Vicky Vancouver.
Wiki Vancouver. Why does all of the names have the country?
Yeah, just make sure that you know where they're from. Canada. You know the Prime Minister of Canada, Justin Trudeau.
Right.
He's kind of a superstar.
Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Pinstagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. Press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.